Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to show you send email. First of all, just I'm going to discuss in the inventory management system. Just I want to that when someone purchasing any items, then mail will be delivered to this mail ID with the invoice and the bill also. So in this video tutorial, just I'm going to add a Gmails and as well as any third-party mail configuration. So here I'm using body of the message request from address to address, as well as SMTP service, SMTP credentials like username and the passwords. Okay, so that is the basic configuration. You can do it in your ASP.NET Core application. Okay, so here we have where body equals to message request equals to mail message request dot to dot add, etc. So just I'm going to do, and you can do it yourself. Now after that, you have to add identity into your project. So just right click on your web project and just add new item, add a new scaffold item, and after that scaffold item you choose identity into your web service, because application DB context is already prepared, and you know that application user is also prepared. So just you can use add identity to logged into the system. So that's it, you can create it. And after that, we will add some controller into your project, like build controller, customer type controller, customer controller, etc. Okay. finally, I'm going to add customer type Viewmodel utility. Here we have a utility project. You can see in the helper class that is a super admin is already there. Repository is also there, and models is also there. So just I'm going to add a new Viewmodel related to your customer type Viewmodel. So just I'm going to add a new project, and that is the class library project, class library, and you can say that it is a view models. So inventory dot view model, okay, and create it. Okay, so inventory dot view model, just default a class that is class 1, just I'm going to remove, and I'm going to add first of all customer type view model. So just add a new view model, new folder, customer related information. So customer type view model, just you can say, just I want to get a list of the customers. So customer list view model, customer type list view model, you can say. So empty file, and here I'm going to add customer type view model dot cs, and here we have customer type view model. Okay, so in this session you can use customer types. So here we have a customer types, and you can use integer type id, type name, and the description you can use. So the similar thing you can do it in here. Oops, control Z, description, there is a not required information, you can take it. Okay, so customer type view model, here you can say, and here we have a customer type view model. So list of the customer type view model, just I want to take it here, and in the view model just I want to take mapping also. So just that convert from the view model to the model, so just you can use mapping. Okay, so here I'm using a static class, so add a new empty file, that is relationship.cs, and make it static, and you can say that just I want to convert the customer type view model to view model. So public static, just I want to return model to view model. So view model is the customer type view model, you can say, or you can change this name, rename customer type list view model, customer type list view model. Okay, so just in the relationship you can just send customer type list view model, just I want to return it, and make that method is model to view model, model to VM, model to view model, and here I'm going to add this customer type, add reference of the inventory model, or you can say that customer type. Okay, you can see. Okay, so here I'm going to return new customer type view model, customer type list view model, and here you can say that customer ID is equals to customer type dot ID, and the next one is the name, and next one is description, so like that. Okay, so everything is converted in the form of this line. So and in the future just I'm going to add a list of customer type view model. So here I'm using list of customer, or you can take enumeration right here. So instead of enumeration you can take it like that, enumerable of customer type, and just I'm going to return enumerable of customer type list view model, because this is the list actually. So here we have a list of customer types. So just I'm going to add for each loop here. So where item in collection, and collection is customer type right here. So customer type is the name, and in the first thing is the customer type. So CT is the type here, and just I'm going to add, first of all, add a customer type view model. So list of customer type list view model. Oops, customer type list view model. Here is we have a list equals to new customer type view model, and just I'm going to add in the list, that is list dot add new customer type view model, and just you can use here, or instead of this, this line of code. Okay, and customer type is not a customer type, this is the CT. Okay, and just removed it. Okay, so here we have a for each loop inside it, and you can take list dot add list, and now finally you can say this is the return of the item, like that return, and what is the return? That is the list. Just I want to return it. Okay, so here we have model to view model, just you can use it, and the next one is that is the relationship and the customer type view model here, and you can say in the repository, just I'm going to add a new section for the interface, that is the customer type. So customer type, it's a big project, you can say. So customer type, and here I'm going to add a new file, I customer type repo.cs, and just I'm going to add get all the customers. So task of the type, task of paginated list, just I want to use paginated list. So just first of all you can take paginated list in the repository. So this is the helper class, you can say. So add a new file, that is paging class, and in the paging class we will take paginated list. So add a new class, paginated list. Okay, public paginated list, and just replace this paginated list with the Microsoft pagination. So okay, public class paginated list, and oops, okay, and okay, so everything is clear now. Count async is actually existing in Microsoft Entity Framework core. So here we have a paginated list type. So in the iCustomer repo, just I'm going to add task of paginated list of type. Type is customer type. Okay, so customer type list view model, just I'm going to edit here, list view model. Add reference customer type list view model. What's going on? And here we have get all is the method name. Okay, so here we have a inventory repository, and paging is also there, but reference is not added right now. So add reference to inventory.viewModel, and reference viewmodel, add project reference, and here we have just I'm going to add viewmodel. What's going on? The item does not support previewing. What's going on? Because a view model is, and you can say that repository is the type of 6.0, but a view model is the type of 7.0. So just change it first of all 6.0 in the view model section. So just go for the view model, and here we have you are using 6.0. I think it's supportable right now. Okay, that's fine. So inventory.repository and customer type, customer type. So just resolve this issue now. So using inventory.viewmodel.customer. So here we have. Okay, so everything is clear. Now in the customer type repository, just I'm going to implement customer type. So in the repository section, you can just go customer type implementation. So here we have going to add implementation type, customer type repo.cs, and implement that class with the customer type repo, and implement interface right here. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos, because today I'm tired, and if you want to see the full detail of uh, inventory management system, so it will take some time, because it's an ERP project, or you can say that it's a long project, you can say. So I will take time to complete this customer type. Okay, so wait for some times. Okay, so and don't forget, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you like this video, please press the like button also.